Discover 7 secret ingredients from Costco for mouthwatering meals. Costco is known for offering a wide variety of quality products at competitive prices. While the definition of mouthwatering can vary from person to person, here are 7 versatile and popular ingredients from Costco that can elevate your cooking. Kirkland Signature Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Costco's Kirkland Signature brand offers high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This versatile ingredient can be used in cooking, salad, dressings, and as a finishing touch on various dishes. Wild-caught salmon. Costco, known for its selection of fresh and frozen seafood. Wild-caught salmon, in particular, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can be grilled, baked, or broiled for a delicious and healthy meal. Kirkland Signature Organic Quinoa is a nutritious and protein-rich grain. Costco's Kirkland Signature Organic Quinoa is a great pantry staple for creating wholesome and satisfying dishes like salads, grain bowls, or as a side dish. Kerrygold Butter. Kerrygold is a brand known for its high-quality Irish butter. Costco often carries this butter, which is excellent for baking and adding rich flavor to various dishes. Aged balsamic vinegar. A good balsamic vinegar can enhance the flavor of salads, marinades, and even desserts. Costco usually stocks high-quality aged balsamic vinegars that can add a sweet and tangy depth to your dishes. Kirkland Signature Organic Maple Syrup. For a touch of sweetness, Costco's organic maple syrup is a great choice. Use it as a topping for pancakes and waffles, or incorporate it into sauces and marinades for a unique flavor profile. Rotisserie chicken. Costco's famous rotisserie chicken, a time-saving ingredient that can be the foundation for numerous dishes. Use it in salads, sandwiches, tacos, casseroles, or simply enjoy it on its own for a quick and delicious meal. Remember, the availability of products can vary by location and over time, so it's always a good idea to check your local Costco for the current selection. Additionally, Costco often introduces new products, so be on the lookout for exciting finds to experiment within your kitchen.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.